Alright guys, today I'll be teaching you how to do... Oh wait, no. Because today guys, I invented a new Minecraft technique with the spear itself. Because today I will show you a technique that is forbidden. And obviously, I am a Minecraft PvPer and this is some of my tips with the maze and another spear. You see this? You see this technique? Bam. 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 See that? Yeah. That's how you do it. I call it spear lining. So basically you do this. A mob charges at you. Do that. Oh, yeah. Come here. Ah, yeah. Well, this is in Bedrock Edition, but if you're about to try it in Java, I bet it will be even more OP. These are so hard to kill. Next is the Evoker, man. I'll show you how literally foolproof it is. You just summon Vic. Right. Yeah. So you do it. We spawn so many Evokers. Right, this time I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna beat Ravager. Using mod, which is using regeneration, so I don't get killed. Bam. 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 Makes it so. The best part, you can hit both of the mobs you're charging at. So it just made life so much easier. Bam. Skabam. Yeah, that's how you do it. Next up, these two. Oh wait, no, it's part 3. After I beat these 3, I will explain to you how to do it. Subscribe if you think I'm gonna beat this. It's so long to kill! Bro! Just get obliterated. Yeah. This is annoying. Let's go. So 1. And that's a 3. Alright guys. So as you can see, I stack up so I don't get attacked. You see a Ravager? First, you grab your spear. Make sure it has lunge, sharpness. And I accidentally, I did knock back. But it's okay since a Ravager is technically unknockable. If you mean has infinite knockback resistance or so, but best paired if you add this with fire aspect, if you know what I mean. See, bam. When a mob is charging at you, use it. Cool down, bam. Do that, bam. And also, as you already know, you need food to recharge your spear so that you don't get hungry, and the spear always works. So bam, see? So guys, that is my tutorial for today's video, and see you again on the next time. Thank you!